Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use the new Quick Share feature on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Scroll down and find the post that you want to share with your friends in DMs. Now tap and hold the arrow icon below the post. You will then see a new pop-up with profile pictures of the 4 contacts that you most interact with. If you don't get this feature, update your Instagram app. Slide your finger across the profile picture of the user whom you want to share this post, and leave your finger. This will quickly send the content to your friend directly in their message box. Go there and check. So in this way, you can use the new Quick Share feature on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.